Hello, good morning mga kabig time. Today is April 6, 2024, no? So, magbibigay na naman po tayo ng combination for today. At sana manalo po tayo dito at surtihin. Alright, please lang like and share. Alright, so sa gusto po ng VIP number, comment lang below at marireplyan ko yan after. Okay, So, meron lang akong dalawang combination na ibibigay, okay? For today. So, sana surtihin po kayo at manalo. Alright, so, first combination natin ay 6 2 4 right, and 2 1 4. Alright, target rumble. So yan lang po ang dalawang combination natin for April 6, 2024. 624 and 214 target rumble. So good luck mga big time, sana manalo po kayo. Okay, so comment down below for VIP number for today. Okay, baka manalo tayo sa VIP. Okay, good luck po, maraming salamat.